Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says a dog bed at an online company is marked 15% off. How much will you save if the original price is $59.40? And so this question says we have a discount of 15%, and that comes from the total amount of $59.40. To put it another way, we want to find 15% of the number 59.40. And so I'm going to write 15% as a decimal, which means I would move my decimal 2 places to the left and end up with 0.15. Of means multiplication, and so I'm going to multiply 0.15 times 59.40. If I punch that into a calculator, I get 8.91, which means I would have a savings of $8.91 on the dog bed.